Okay, students, this is our third assignment, continuation, where we're now going to add the Photoshop and screen JPEGs into our advertisement. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and come to our screenshot piece. This is a picture that we're going to have, and we're going to move that directly into our end advertisement. We can go ahead and just making sure that our move tool is selected. We're going to go ahead and click and drag our photo. Whoops. Click and drag our photo and then unclick into our final piece. We're going to go ahead and do an edit and a free transform. Now we can make this piece the size that we want it to. And you'll notice when it comes in that it is going to be a little bit out of focus. You can see it's a bit pixelated. I'm just changing the structure of this to give it a little bit more character. If I go ahead and go back to my move tool and click it again, I can apply this piece, and you can see that it becomes a lot clearer. We're going to do the same step with our Photoshop logo. The only difference is this Photoshop logo, we're going to have to select the Photoshop itself. The background, although it does look like it's transparent, actually isn't. So I'm going to do that by using my magic wand to select, go into the selection, and do an inverse. That means I just have this Photoshop icon selected, and making sure that I have my move key selected. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Photoshop, drag it into my final piece, and drag it into place. And as we did before, I'm going to go ahead and do an edit and a free transform in order to change the size of this. So I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger, bring it into place a little bit, and then click the move tool again, and that'll clean up that pixelation that we see in this piece. We're going to continue on in the next section of adding our title and content information about the Photoshop lesson that's going to be given.